In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advance payment in Zoho Books. This process is straightforward and will make managing your finances much easier. Let's get started. First, you want to navigate over to Zoho Books. Open your browser and go to the Zoho Books website to sign into your account. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options in the sidebar. For our purpose, you'll need to focus on the left-hand side and click on Sales. The Sales section is where you'll manage all activities related to selling, so it's a critical part of your Zoho Books experience. Next, look for the Customers option and click on it. This section lists all the customers you have, making it easy to streamline your operations by having centralized information at your fingertips. Go ahead and choose the specific customer for whom you want to add an advance payment. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the customer you're looking for. Once you've selected the appropriate customer, look for the button labeled New Transaction. Clicking on this will present you with several different transaction types. What you want to do here is select Customer Payment. At this stage, you're effectively moving forward to log payments you've received from your customers, and keeping these records up to date is crucial for accurate bookkeeping. Now it's time to input the amount you received. Be sure to double-check the amount you enter to prevent any discrepancies in your financial records. Keep in mind that accuracy here can prevent a lot of headaches down the line. Enter the amount carefully and proceed to the next step, which is selecting the payment date. This is essentially the date when you actually receive the money. It's a small detail, but it can have implications for how your cash flow is reported over time, so be attentive. Then you need to choose where this advance payment will be deposited. In the Deposit To drop-down menu, select one of the available options in your account. This choice will determine which of your financial buckets receives the funds, and it can vary based on your specific financial setup or company policies. Once you've filled in all the required fields and verified that all the information is accurate, the last step is to click Save. This will ensure that the payment is recorded in your books, and from here, you are all set. Any information that needs to be retrieved or reviewed later will be available there right within Zoho Books. And there you have it. Adding an advance payment in Zoho Books is now done. If you follow this process, you'll find that keeping your accounts organized becomes an even easier task. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful Zoho Books tutorials.